Good morning, grade 2. So, the topic for today is seasons. Have you heard about the different seasons? Can you tell me what do you know about seasons? Do you know which all are the seasons of India? Which are the months where the different seasons come? So, let's see one by one. So, what is a season? A season is a division of the year. You can see different divisions of the year based on changes in the weather conditions. So, what is meant by season? A season is a division of the year based on changes in the weather conditions. So, what all are the seasons of India? We have winter, yes, and the winter is from December to January. Spring, which is February to March, sunny and pleasant climate, correct? And then we have the summer season, which is April to June, the hot season. And then comes a monsoon, where it starts from July to mid-September. It's very wet, hot, humid, yes? So, let's see which all are the different seasons. So, today we are going to learn about the different 5 seasons all over the world, which is winter season. Winter season, always, what comes to your mind? It's a very cool climate, correct? Then comes spring. Spring season is always sunny and pleasant. Then comes the hot summer, where our red is very hot. And then the monsoon season, as I said, the wet, hot and humid climate. And then we have the autumn, where we call it as the falling of the leaves. So let's see one by one in detail. Let's start with the first season, which is the summer season. So you all know summer is the hottest season of the year. The sun shines brightly. The days are longer and hotter. So tell me kids, what type of clothes do you wear during the summer season? Correct. We need to wear cotton clothes during summer season. You can choose t-shirt, yes, cotton shirts. And not only that, people love to eat cold things during the summer season. And what about you kids? Yes, something is shown here. Yes, you like to eat ice creams, cold fruit juices. Not only that, during the summer time, we usually use air conditioners and coolers. Now, in most countries, children are out of school during this time of year. It's a summer break. That's why we call it as summer vacation. Kids like to play indoor games. And for outdoor, kids go to the beach. Yes, why? To swim and they enjoy water sports. So remember, summer is the hottest season of the year and the days are longer and hotter. Let's see which is the second season. So kids, can you see this picture? Can you tell me which is this season? The rainy season. We call it as the monsoon season or the wet season. Why? Because as you can see here, we get a lot of rainfall. And during monsoon season, people like to eat hot food. You like to drink soups, yes, and you like to eat hot food. Not only that, during this season, people wear raincoats and carry umbrellas to protect from rain. Now, when we are talking about our country, India, monsoon season is very important. Why? rain is very essential for the growth of crops. You know, India has lots of farmers who depend on this rainy season. So remember, rain is very essential for the growth of crops. So second season we learned today is the monsoon season, the wet season. Kids, always remember to carry an umbrella with you when you are going outside during a monsoon season so that you get protection from rain. If you don't have an umbrella, please take your raincoat and rain boots. Let's see the third season, autumn. As you can see here, the leaves are all moving around. At this time, that is during the autumn season, the leaves turn yellow or brown and fall to the ground. During autumn season, a strong wind always blows. It is dry but much cooler than the summer season. In many cultures, the fall is associated with harvest. Vegetables and fruits ripe at autumn season. So remember, autumn usually comes after summer, but it is more cooler than the summer, even though autumn season is dry. At this time, the leaves, you can see here in this picture, they turn yellow or brown and fall to the ground. It is also associated with harvest. The fourth season, which is it? Yes, the winter season. As you all know, it is the coldest season of the year. Why? It has lots of snow and ice all around. You can see here in the picture. Yes, the days are shorter and nights are longer in winter. So people wear, can you see here? Do they wear cotton clothes? No. So people wear woolen clothes. Yes, such as sweaters, jackets. People also use gloves, boots, scarves, yes, to keep themselves warm. So here you can see the different woolen cap, jackets and the gloves. Yes, not only that, during this season, people drink hot soups, hot chocolates and they choose spicy and fried foods. Heaters and blankets are used. So, during this season, kids enjoy outdoor sliding, skating, snowman building and snowball. Season, which is spring. I can see you all smiling. Why? When you hear the word spring itself, mind becomes calm and pleasant, correct? So, spring is the pleasant season. Weather is always warm and sunny. Days and nights are the same length. And also, you can see all the flowers in your garden blooming. There's greenery all around, correct? Here, you can see the butterflies and bees that flutter around. Plants and trees start to grow. Many animals have their babies in spring. In many cultures, spring is celebrated because of its importance in food production and the sowing of crops. Kids come outdoor to play. They ride bicycles, fly kites and also plant seeds. So remember kids, spring is the pleasant season where the weather is warm and sunny. Both days and nights are of the same length. So let's just summarize what we learned today. So we learned about the different seasons. The first one was summer, which is the hottest season of the year. Remember, the days are longer and hotter. People usually wear cotton clothes during summer season. And people like to eat cold things like ice cream, juices. Yes. Second season we learned was the monsoon season, which is the wet season. Why? Because we get lot of rainfalls. Rain is very essential for the growth of crops. People eat hot food. People wear raincoats, rain boots and carry umbrellas to protect from rain. Then comes the autumn season. It is dry but much cooler than the summer. At this time, the leaves turn yellow or brown and fall to the ground. Correct. Summer season, a strong wind always blows. Then we learned about the winter season, the coldest season of the year, with lots of snow and ice all around. Remember, in winter season, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. In winter season, people wear woolen clothes such as sweaters and jackets. They also use gloves, boots, scarves, yes, woolen caps to keep themselves warm. They drink hot soups, hot chocolates and choose spicy and fried foods. Kids enjoy outdoor sliding, skating and snowman building. The last season that we studied, spring, the pleasant season. Here the climate is always warm and sunny. Both days and nights are of the same length. There's all greenery around. You can see the butterflies and bees all fluttering around. So, hope all of you have now understood the different seasons and their climatic conditions. Thank you.